In today's video, I'll teach you how to import contacts from Gmail to Android. So if you want to import the contacts from Gmail to Android, all you have to do is ensure your Google account is synced in your phone settings. Your contacts will automatically appear in the Android Contacts app. So what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Keep in mind the settings options might vary according to your device. So what you have to do is find this option for passwords and accounts and tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all of your Google accounts over here. Tap on the Google account that you would like to import the contact from. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for account sync. So what you have to do is tap on it. You'll be able to find the options like calendar, contacts, docs, drive, etc. Right next to these options, you'll be able to find the button. So what you have to do is toggle on the button right next to the option for contacts. Now after you do that, you can see over here the contacts will be synced. Now after the contacts is synced, it will automatically appear in the Android Contacts app. You'll not have to do any additional steps. So like this, you'll be able to import the contacts. So that is how you import contacts from Gmail to Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.